Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to add card. There was a problem when trying to add this card. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are having the issue that you cannot add card or you are unable to add cards, let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens when you have a weak internet connection or any glitch of your iPhone. So very first you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection, or you can try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make you refresh with your network settings. Then go back, open your settings app here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you're connected, try to disconnect with that, and after that go back from here, and then you just have to go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will not delete your data, but it will reset your network setting, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, and your hotspot. And after that, if you're still having the same issue, so it will be any iPhone glitch. So you have to open the settings, go for general, go for software update, and try to update your software. And after that, you can also try to make a force restart your iPhone. Not to do that, you have to quickly press only the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press only the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be almost fixed. So after restarting, unlock your device, then go for App Store, then tap on your profile option in the top right corner. Select your account from here, and then verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Select country or region option. Now you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. Once you select that, then tap on continue option from here. Tap on agree in the top right corner. And now you have to add your card here. You have to add your payment method. Here your card information. Add your billing address, your phone number, then your name. Once you have done all of these, just tap on done option in the top right corner, and your card will be successfully added to your Apple IDs. In this way, you can easily fix the issue if you're getting the issue that you're unable to add card in your Apple Wallet or your Apple Pay. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.